Daily maintenance is vital to ensure smooth operation and prolonged machine use. The WM-AI should be cleaned every day. To initiate cleaning mode, press the cleaning button on the touchscreen, then press the start button. The lift unit, wrapping plates, discharge pusher, and rear wrapping plates will move into cleaning position. Before performing any cleaning, always switch off the main power. Allow the WM-AI adequate time to cool down. The orange package rollers may take up to 15 minutes to cool down. Use a damp cloth to clean the top and leading edges of the side plates. Pull the rear wrap plate forward and clean thoroughly, including the front roller shaft. Clean the lift heads and any accumulation on the lift base plate. Loosen the infeed side knobs and pull the infeed unit forward. Remove the platter and clean with soap and water. Do not use any chemicals that would bleach the plastic or change the color. Use a damp cloth to clean the centering belt and side rails. Move the infeed pushers forward for easier access. Clean all 3 pushers. Center one of the infeed pushers in the middle of the blue centering belt. After thoroughly drying the platter, place it back on the infeed. Then wipe down the sides of the machine. Clean the camera lens. The infeed unit can now be returned to its original position. With the infeed pushed all the way forward, tighten the side knobs to lock it into place. Beneath the infeed is a debris tray. Pull the tray forward, lower it, and clean with a damp cloth. Unlatch and raise the thermal head to expose the face of the thermal element. Dip a Q-tip in isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surface. Lock the thermal head back into its original position. Use a cloth to wipe the bottom of the applicator to remove any dust particles. When finished, close the front cover. Turn the main power switch to the on position and wait for the machine to power up. On the touchscreen, press the return button. Verify the correct time and date, then press the enter button. To facilitate easy room cleaning, the WM-AI's discharge conveyor can be lowered. The entire machine must now be protected with a cover while the room is cleaned.